Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kaviar. Today we're doing a review on this wig. Stick around. So guys, this wig is from Atina Hair. I'm gonna do the unboxing portion right now for you guys. So this wig is from Atina Hair. I did bleach the knots on this unit and it lifted really nicely. The lace is a really nice color. It's a light color. So it didn't need much work as far as like blending. I just dabbed just the tiniest amounts of foundation with hairspray and that's all I did, but you really don't need to do that. You can literally plop it on and it's ready to go. Now this wig is in 18 inches and this is the body wave texture. It is the 13x6, so the part is really deep. I left the hair in its natural state right now. I was not planning on doing any baby hairs with this wig, but I decided to go ahead and do that, and it is 140 density. I believe I have a medium size and there's lots of room in the back. Very comfortable because it's not tight on my head. Love that about the hair. Even though the knots are really fine, I would say the shedding is very minimal to nothing. When I wash the hair and I brush it out, I didn't really receive much shedding at all. The hair did feel kind of dry when I was taking it out of the packaging, like unboxing it, and when I put some conditioner after, it felt much better. The hair feels pretty soft, but it does feel like more of a raw texture, like not coarse but not silky smooth. I didn't do any plucking at all. This is what the hairline came looking like pre-plucked. Sometimes you just don't have time to be plucking hairlines. The fact that it's already pre-plucked nicely, that is wonderful, and I definitely give it a high rating because of that. I'm gonna come back when it's styled and show you guys what it looks like and the closing out of the video. And we're gonna put some curls in it, you guys. I'm not going for anything crazy today, just some light curls. So if you guys are wondering the direction that I'm curling the hair, I'm rotating it. So one direction I'll curl under and the other direction I'll curl over. Okay guys, so this is what it looks like curled. I haven't combed through it yet, but you saw how easy it was for me to curl the hair. It took really nicely to the curls. My final thoughts on the hair, this is how you get that beachy curl. I don't have anything in the hair. It feels really soft as I run my hands through it, so it definitely needed to be conditioned. So if you do purchase this hair, definitely show it some love, condition it. Even though it's body wave, it still looks to me like deep wave. It looks better curled or in its natural state. So that's what I decided to do, is to curl it. But you can definitely straighten it if you want to. It does straighten. Get a close-up of the hair and the curls. It's very minimal shedding. It's nothing crazy. I love the lace on this unit. So overall, I definitely think it's a great option. Want to get some decent hair? That's what this is. So hopefully you guys found this helpful. Check out their website. All the information will be in the description box below. And if you have any questions about this unit or like the styling process or anything like that, leave a comment. I want to thank you if you made it this far into this video. Thumbs up this video. So that is my final thought on this hair. It's cute or whatever, okay? You guys, I forgot to mention that there is a discount code for this wig if you want to purchase it. It is KEZ15 and you can save $15 off this unit, okay? So we can definitely work with it. So I'm not gonna put this hair to waste. I'm gonna go spend some time with my husband. Until next time, guys, I got to go. Bye.